In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down to access this section called Accessibility and Convenience. Here, when you scroll down, you will find one-handed mode. Click on it and tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Now, if you are using Tricky's navigation, you won't be able to use it. It only works with gestures, so let's switch to them by tapping on Settings and choosing Gesture here. You can tap on Learn if you want to see the tutorial, or select Cancel. Go back, tap on the switcher until it's blue and follow those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same no blue switcher. To go back to Tricky's navigation, you can go back here. Scroll to choose System and Update, and then select System Navigation to click on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!